Hi, dear children. This is your GK ma'am. Welcome to the GK class. So, how are you, children? Hope you all are doing good, right? Shall we start our session with prayer? All of you, close your eyes and start praying. Asatoma sadgamaya tamasoma ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. All of you slowly open your eyes. Okay, children, our today's topic, different professions. So, profession can be defined as any type of work that needs special training or a particular skill. One that is respected because it involves a high level of education. So, in our previous sessions, we already seen some of the professionals and their profession. Isn't it, children? So, this class, let's see what the other professional have to say about their profession. Okay, children? So, the first profession, politician. Let's see what the politician have to say about their profession. I am your elected representative. You elected me to solve different civil issues. If I do a good job, you will elect me again. So the politician is a person elective in a party politics. So politics means one of the way to leading government. They are the representative of the common people. They have a decision making power. So people only elected them by their valuable vote. What are the responsibility of politicians? So politician will take responsibility for coordinating and deciding upon policies. And also their main job is they propose, support and create laws and policies. So the people vote for politician to represent them in a parliament. The parliament only make decisions and law for all citizens. So politician can represent us better if we tell them about our concerns and ideas. So what are the skills of politicians? Excellent verbal communication skill, legal knowledge, understanding of society and culture, analytical thinking skills and active listening skills. These are the some of the skills of politicians. So the next profession, lawyer. Let's see what the lawyer say about their profession. I am trained in the law. I speak very well. I give advice to people on legal issues. I present my case to the judge who decide the outcome based on the available facts. So the lawyer is a professional who is well trained in law, and also they are called as advocate, attorney and barrister. So if a people have any problem regarding to the law, they can contact a lawyer for the advice. The lawyer conduct research and analysis of the legal problem. So that if a case goes to the court means the lawyer will represent their client in the court and will use their knowledge of the law to convince the court that the client is on the right side. So the lawyer generally charges a fees for the work that they do. So what are the types of lawyers? There are many types of lawyers. Some of them are family lawyer, criminal lawyer, corporate lawyer, labor and employment lawyer. These are the some of the types of lawyers. So what are the skills of lawyer? Oral language is one of the most fundamental tools of the legal professional, and also written communication skill, commercial awareness, problem solving skills, analytical skills, and time management. These are the some of the skills of lawyer. So children, this class we have seen politician and lawyer. So the first chapter is over. So your today's homework is write the types of lawyers and send it to the Google Classroom. Okay children. So please avoid your mobile phone, laptop, desktop or any other gadgets item after your session. Drink more water, eat healthy fruits and vegetables, and go to play at evening. Also, stay home, stay safe. We will meet in our next session. Thank you, children.